In this video, I am going to show you how to use the invite feature on Discord. To add someone to your Discord, open the Discord desktop app on your computer. In the left side menu, click on the server to which you want to add users. Click on the server name to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Invite People. A window will appear with an invite link. Click on Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. You can now share this invite link with the people you want to add to the server. You can send it via direct messages, email, or any other communication method. The same process goes for the mobile application of Discord. You just hit the server and click on Invite or Add People and give the people that link. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.